Hey again, quick video this time. I thought I'd do a product review. I haven't done a product review yet on this channel, so I'm going to go ahead and do one now. Full disclosure, nobody supports my channel. There are nobody, sending me stuff, so this is just my outright opinion of this product. If you've been with my channel a while, you'll know that about 2-3 months ago I was laid up with surgery and stuck in bed. So back in March, the first week of March, I was painting some miniatures. And my wife got me this. Well, she said I could buy it. The chief financial officer of the house. So this is an AK wet palette. And the reason I'm going to do this review is because this thing works. And basically what it is it's a plastic container. If you've never used a wet palette, it opens up. It's got 2 foam sponges that go in the bottom, and you would put a little bit of water in here and wet these sponges nice. They don't have to be sopping wet, but good and damp. Alright? And then you wet this one as well, which is just a surface sponge. That goes on top. And then it comes with basically pallet paper that fits on top. And the pallet paper soaks water through, and when you put your paints on it, it'll keep your paints wet. Then if you're going to take a break, this has a rubber seal all the way around. You close it up, and your paints will still be wet and usable when you come back. So if you've mixed some special colors for, a character's cloak or something like that, all your paints you won't have to remix. All your paints will be still wet. The reason I am saying this thing works is, like I said, 2 months ago I was laid up and painting miniatures. I've been cleaning up in my little workshop, my little hobby room, and picked this up, opened it up, and realized I had not cleaned this. So let's say 8 weeks ago or more, I had closed this up. There was paint inside there, and there was still water in it, and it was damp, and I didn't clean it up. Yesterday I opened this up, and the paint was still good. It was still usable. I could still have painted with it. Now, over that time, there was a tiny bit of funkiness from, stale water. That's not anything to say about this product. That's to say about my ability to keep things clean. So the product worked beautifully. I could have, if I wanted to, painted with those paints that were put in this storage setup 2 months ago. I could have used those paints. So, damn thing works. Now, it does come with sheets of, like I said, paper that you can use for your palette. But when you run out, you can also use basic cooking parchment, the big rolls of parchment paper for cooking, baking cookies. So you can just roll a piece of that out, cut it, lay it down, and you basically press it down, and the water will seep into the parchment, and you can keep your paints on the parchment paper. This is a good little thing to buy. I'm not gonna blow smoke on this one. This is nice. I'll put a link to where I got it. I don't remember the price. I will put the price, like right here somewhere, and the website where I got it. So it'll be, here, I think, maybe. And, yeah, that's my review. I give this thing a 10 out of 10 for guys, or anyone, not guys, anyone who's doing miniature painting or have a lot of miniatures to paint, this is worth the purchase. This was good. I do not in a second regret spending any money on this. In fact, if AK products are this good all around, I might have to look into some of their other stuff. So that's my quick review. 5 stars out of 5. Best I can give it. If you need a wet palette, it's great. All right, so I'm gonna catch you later. Head out, and till next time, as I say, keep on modeling. Have a great day. Stay safe.